Indoor container gardening with edible plants. Indoor container gardening is an excellent way to grow fresh, edible plants year-round, regardless of outdoor space or weather conditions. By using containers, pots, and other suitable vessels, you can cultivate vegetables, herbs, and even small fruits inside your home. This approach provides fresh ingredients, improves air quality, and brings greenery into living spaces. In this video, we will guide you step by step through indoor gardening, from plant selection to care and harvesting. The first step in indoor container gardening is assessing your space and light availability. Most edible plants require at least 4 to 6 hours of sunlight per day. Identify a location near a south-facing or west-facing window to maximize natural light. If sunlight is insufficient, consider using full-spectrum grow lights, which provide the spectrum of light needed for photosynthesis and healthy growth. The light should be positioned about 6 to 12 inches above plants, depending on intensity, and used for 12 to 16 hours daily for optimal results. Next, select suitable containers. Indoor plants thrive in pots with proper drainage holes to prevent waterlogging and root rot. Materials such as terracotta, ceramic, or plastic all work well. Size matters. Small herbs may do fine in containers 6 to 8 inches in diameter, while larger plants like dwarf tomatoes or peppers require deeper pots, 12 inches or more in diameter. Make sure containers are stable and placed on surfaces that can withstand moisture, such as trays or saucers, to catch excess water. Choosing the right plants is essential for indoor success. Herbs are among the easiest and most rewarding choices. Basil, thyme, rosemary, parsley, chives, and mint grow well indoors and provide frequent harvests. Leafy greens such as lettuce, spinach, and kale are also suitable, offering continuous harvest if properly maintained. Small fruiting plants like cherry tomatoes, peppers, or strawberries can be grown in larger containers with sufficient light. Consider plant growth habits, size, and water needs to ensure compatibility with your indoor environment. The next step is preparing soil. Use high-quality, well-draining potting mix designed for container gardening. Avoid garden soil, which may compact in containers and retain too much moisture, leading to root problems. Mix in compost or organic matter to enrich the soil, supplying essential nutrients for healthy growth. Lightly aerate the soil before planting to allow roots to penetrate easily and ensure proper air circulation in the container. Planting techniques differ depending on seeds or seedlings. For seeds, follow packet instructions regarding depth and spacing. Sow seeds evenly, cover lightly with soil, and water gently. For seedlings, gently remove them from their nursery pots, loosen the roots slightly if compacted, and plant at the same depth they were growing before. Firm the soil around the base and water thoroughly. Group plants with similar light and water needs together to simplify care and ensure optimal growth. Watering is a critical aspect of indoor gardening. Containers dry out more quickly than outdoor soil, and plants may also experience slower evaporation indoors. Check soil moisture regularly by pressing your finger about 1 inch into the soil. Water when it feels dry, providing enough moisture to reach the roots without creating standing water. Using saucers or trays can prevent excess moisture damage to furniture or flooring. Mulching the top of the soil with small bark chips or organic matter reduces evaporation and maintains steady moisture levels. Fertilization supports healthy growth and extended productivity. Indoor plants often rely on soil nutrients alone, which can become depleted over time. Use balanced liquid fertilizers or organic solutions such as compost tea every 2 to 4 weeks. Apply lightly to avoid overfertilization, which can lead to excessive leaf growth with reduced flavor or flowers. Rotating fertilization with water-only periods helps prevent nutrient buildup and encourages steady, balanced plant growth. Temperature and airflow are important factors for indoor gardening. Most edible plants prefer temperatures between 65 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit during the day and slightly cooler at night. Avoid placing plants near heaters, radiators, or drafty windows, as sudden temperature changes can stress plants. Ensure proper airflow by placing fans or opening windows periodically. Adequate ventilation reduces the risk of fungal diseases and encourages strong stem and leaf development. Pruning and harvesting improve plant productivity. Regularly remove dead or yellowing leaves to maintain plant health. For leafy greens and herbs, harvest outer leaves first, allowing the inner leaves to continue growing. Fruiting plants benefit from occasional pruning to encourage branching and support flowering. Timely harvesting also prevents plants from becoming leggy or overcrowded, ensuring steady production throughout the season. Pest management in indoor gardens requires vigilance. Although indoor plants experience fewer pest problems than outdoor gardens, common pests include aphids, spider mites, and fungus gnats. Inspect plants regularly and use gentle methods such as washing foliage with water, introducing predatory insects, or applying organic insecticidal sprays if necessary. Maintaining clean containers, good airflow, and healthy soil reduces the likelihood of infestations and keeps plants thriving. Plant arrangement affects growth and aesthetics. Place taller plants at the back or on elevated surfaces to prevent shading smaller plants. Use vertical space creatively by hanging pots or stacking containers on shelves. Trailing herbs or vines can cascade down containers or trellises, adding visual appeal. Organizing plants based on light and water requirements ensures each receives optimal conditions and simplifies daily care. Seasonal adjustments and crop rotation extend productivity. Replace fast-growing crops like lettuce or basil with new seedlings when older plants decline. Rotate plants with similar nutrient needs to prevent soil depletion and maintain balance. Indoor container gardens provide flexibility to try new varieties and experiment with growing techniques without the constraints of outdoor conditions. Over time, you can refine your setup for maximum yield and visual impact. To summarize, indoor container gardening with edible plants involves careful planning, container selection, soil preparation, appropriate lighting, and consistent care. Choose suitable herbs, leafy greens, and small fruiting plants. Ensure proper drainage, provide adequate water, fertilize appropriately, maintain temperature and airflow, and prune and harvest regularly. Monitor for pests, arrange plants for optimal growth and aesthetics, and rotate crops seasonally to maintain productivity. Indoor container gardening offers numerous benefits. It provides fresh, homegrown ingredients year-round, reduces reliance on store-bought produce, improves air quality, and creates an enjoyable green space indoors. Even small apartments or homes with limited outdoor space can support productive gardens with proper planning and care. With attention to detail and consistent maintenance, indoor container gardens can thrive, providing continuous harvests and enhancing your living environment. This method demonstrates that gardening is not restricted to outdoor spaces. By leveraging containers, sunlight, and suitable plants, you can cultivate a productive indoor garden that brings both utility and beauty to your home. Indoor gardening fosters creativity, sustainability, and self-sufficiency while promoting health and well-being through access to fresh, edible plants.